over time, sir made us believe that he's very trustworthy. Through his actions, he proved like the procedure. He was quite very interactive, and he made the process very easy for us. Like he made us understand all the things which we had doubt in, and as the time passed, we completely had trust in him. Like
ओके, किसी तरह का कोई ट्रबल्स, किसी तरह की कोई परेशानी
नहीं
आपको?
नहीं थ्रू आउट नहीं आया। जब से आपके साथ में इंटरेक्शन किया और जब से बताया कि हमारा फाइनल है, आपने अच्छे से हमें हेल्प किया है।
ओके ओके
हमारे सिली क्वेश्चंस को भी जवाब दिया है।
ओके ओके, थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग सर्विस अपॉर्चुनिटी मैडम। ठीक है। Hello, very good evening. This side Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services Private Limited, Bangalore. It's a very pleasant moment for us. Today we are traveling for one of the prestigious university of the Russia. It's called St. Petersburg State Veterinary University. It is a 200 plus year old university, and here it comes under the ranking. When we check, it is the top 10 university basically in Europe, and in Russia this is the #1 veterinary university. It's a exclusive of veterinary medical college. In this university basically they are completely focusing on veterinary part. Otherwise in general places, if you'll say veterinary is to be one of the part into the agriculture university, but no, it's a absolute a veterinary university. In the same series, today Tanvi from Maharashtra is traveling with me for study veterinary medicine from Russia. So in this short video, we'll just try to understand that how she has selected this university, and overall what is the experience with ITCS. We are today meeting first time.
yes,
Entire duration we have discussed on a phone calls only. So whether she found any kind of difficulties into this entire journey and all such discussions we'll do into the short interview. Hello Tanvi, very good evening.
hello, sir.
First of all, Tanvi, like how you believed on ITCS? Because you are from Maharashtra, I am sitting in a Bangalore, okay? But although you have made a belief on us, and thanks for that. And today we are in this position that I am taking as a first batch from the India to the same university.
In the beginning it was a little bit difficult for us to completely trust on like completely a university or like an agency which is like quite very far from us, but over time sir made us believe that he's very trustworthy. Through his actions he proved like the procedure. He was quite very you can say interactive, and he made the process very easy for us. Like he made us understand all the things which we had doubt in, and as the time passed we completely had trust in him. Like
ओके, सो तन्वी आपको एग्जाम्स वगैरह देने में किसी तरह की कोई तकलीफ हुई एग्जाम
like,
पर?
he helped us throughout the process, like how to join the meeting or like how to participate the questions. He helped us all the time. Like it was very easy for us.
Okay, so as you selected this particular institute, what is the motto that you want to become a veterinarian?
Actually, ever since I was a child, I always had this dream of becoming a veterinarian. As soon as I got a dog, like I didn't had this dream, but when I adopted my dog, I just started to have this passion over animals. It started from a dog to a cat, then it just spread over time, and then I just like it just became a dream.
That's nice. That's nice, because see, I can say treating a human is easy,
Yes, it
but
is.
treatment for a non-speaking animal is very
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 difficult.
tough. So you are choosing a very great point basically, but for that you have to do very hard study.
Yes, that is right.
From the ITCS side, definitely we can say we are always with you for the back end support. But in the front end, you only have to study, you only have to manage with the climate, you only have to manage with the foods,
Right.
and you have to complete your study. Okay. Thanks for believing on us and
Yes.
giving the opportunity for this particular services.
Thank you,
Give
sir.
a mic to your mother.
हेलो
नमस्ते मैडम।
नमस्ते सर।
मैडम आपको अब तो लग रहा है ना कि बच्ची जा रही है?
जी 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 जरूर, और अभी सेफली भी जाएगी, इसका भी हो गया ट्रस्ट।
ओके ओके मैडम, किसी तरह का कोई ट्रबल्स, किसी तरह की कोई परेशानी
नहीं
आपको?
नहीं थ्रू आउट नहीं आया। जब से आपके साथ में इंटरेक्शन किया और जब से बताया कि हमारा फाइनल है, आपने अच्छे से हमें हेल्प किया है।
ओके ओके
हमारे सिली क्वेश्चंस को भी जवाब दिया है।
ओके ओके, थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग सर्विस अपॉर्चुनिटी मैडम। ठीक है, एक चीज तो मैं डेफिनेटली बोल सकता हूँ अबाउट ITCS, हम लोग लास्ट 10 साल से इस कंपनी को चला रहे हैं। मैं जो काम कर सकता हूँ उसके बारे में कमिटमेंट करता हूँ और उसी के बारे में डिस्कस करता हूँ। जो हमारे बियॉन्ड है, मैं फॉल्स जस्ट टू टेक एडमिशन उसकी बातें भी नहीं करता।
वही हुआ।
और जो चीज मैंने आपको बताया उसी प्रोसेस से अभी आज लेकर के जा रहे हैं, और यही रीजन है कि आज हम लोग ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन पे खड़े हैं।
अभी हम आपकी जिम्मेदारी है,
Definitely.
6 साल तक 5 साल तक रहेगा, आगे भी लाइसेंस मिलने तक।
एक स्मॉल गिफ्ट हैम्पर ITCS की तरफ से आप लोगों के लिए,
ओह थैंक यू।
and this is a token of gift for you as a book, okay, that you have to study very hard. You can see the book width also, and this is the original documents.
Okay, this is very important.
Yes, your 10th 12th marks card, okay, your apron, states, passport along with visa. Okay, all such things are there.
Okay.
You can keep safely these all things you can arrange, okay, and accordingly you can proceed for your check-in. In the next 30 minutes we'll start our
Journey.
boarding point. Okay,
Okay.
you can keep this on. Yeah.
Thank you sir।